Very good morning. Today is September 18th. There are a couple of interesting items for today. The first one is the Fed rate cut announcement, which happened yesterday night, which is 25 basis points. The second item we will discuss is what could be the Sensex levels and behavior today. The third one is how FA and DA data is looking for yesterday and how that could impact today's market performance. These are the three items that we would quickly discuss for today. All right. As you can see here, during the COVID time, this is post-COVID, there was a need for US to increase the interest rate. The reason was inflation was too high and they do not want people to take a lot of loans and then increase the economy. That's what which happened. And then until 2023, July 26th, there was definitely increase in the rates. After that, what happened? There was when the inflation cooled down, Fed wanted to reduce the basis point, reduce interest rate. That's what which happened from the September 18th last year. And then Fed got multiple occasions where they ended up reducing the rates. Let's look at what is important, how markets reacted. That's very important. So let's go back to the overview. We are analyzing about 13 meetings as of now. The gap sustainability is very low, about 30.8%. If you look at this data, right? So what happened? Let's go back to the couple of previous occasions. Let's go back to a couple of previous occasions. May 2023, there was some bit of a gap down, but then there was actually bought in. Let's look at a couple of occasions. So 2023 May, there was a small gap down, but then it's not. I will not even say gap down, but then this was eventually bought in. But then most importantly, very recently, December 18th last year, we had a gap down of 1.33, but that did not sustain. Eventually, markets have picked up. So this was a rate cut announcement, and we also had a November rate cut, which also there was a gap up, but then this also did not really sustain. This is the data that I wanted to quickly share. So out of all the 13 occasions, I think there was a gap down, and then this sustained, and then this was May 2023. And then we had a gap down that got sustained, which is December 2022. There were few occasions it sustained. I think as of now, we will go with the majority and then see how the markets are going to perform. I had to re-record this